Is not like being simple always. It includes what ma'am has already said, that you should must follow the discipline. Whatever the guidelines and rules and regulations that are going to be provided to you time by time by the management of ASL, you must have to abide by them. No casual behaviors are going to be tolerated onwards. And going beyond that, there was some discussion about time management. From right now onwards, we are going to establish the lines of authority, responsibility, and accountability. Wherever you guys are going to lose your timelines, behave immaturely, behave like you people are not being monitored, such things are not going to be tolerated anymore. People have to abide by your timelines. And I think before I was here, the managers must have talked about authority and responsibility. Here, I would only request my team members to provide respect to each other, respect the authority, and respect the humanity, respect the self